The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Sound is good. Perfect. Guys, good morning. Give me 1 second. For those of you that market opens, there will be bids. You've seen 6-point spreads. Okay, 24 ticks. There will be bids, I'm sure. Let me rephrase that. Maybe they won't be. Today may not be a day you want to trade algos or bots, anything. We may not want to trade. I mean, I can find something to trade. Soybeans, wheat, corn, but it looks right now like the equities markets. I mean, no market maker wants to stand in front of this train. I don't even know if micros are going to give a bid. I mean, it doesn't do you any. Yeah, it doesn't do you much good if you get, a bid at 80 quarter and an offer at 80 half. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for. Thank you, Dan. All right, we're off. Let the selling begin.
Trading is now underway on the NYSE. The Dow is down more than S&P Global Services at 56. The composite at prior was 55.
And we hit 75. I'm not giving these a big berth here, guys. Buyers back in. All right, I'm flat on the ES. Going to be a lot of starts and stops. Buyers back in the NASDAQ. It's got to get above 96 half. Right here. It hit 96 half. It's got to get above 96 half. This could go to 218. Well, this wants to go again. If this gets above that, so that's my order flow entry, 05.
Order filled.
All right. Order flow entry is above 05. There it is. It just tickled 05. I'm going to try this long here at 05, 05 half.
Order filled.
That's a lousy fill.
Order submitted.
Try to get one at 11 and one at 18.
Order submitted.
And we're compressing. This is only a 30 range, so. Come on. I hate dead markets, guys. A little bit of a trend line here. Don't come back to 92. Got to hold here. It should get 10. Come on. Got the 10. A little more push. Let's go.
Order filled.
All right, 11 target is off. Now I'm looking for 18. I will not let this go back below entry. It's got to keep pushing or I kill it. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. $18 is VWAP. So it may get that target. It's close. We got 15 quarter.
Order canceled.
That's crude. ES held.
We're about 20
Target
minutes into
filled.
the trading session. The
Got target.
forces are off of opening levels. The Dow is down 930. The S&P down 162.
If you guys want ticks, take them off. Your prerogative. Got to get below 01 and this can come down. 92.50 is a call it 93, 93.50 for a target if you guys want. You can take it off anytime. You're up another $400. Just gave it back. Come on, catch that swing at 98.50. Let's go. Trade them as you see fit, guys. Kind of an interesting day. Come on, break 98.50. There's nothing here, guys, at 98.50. But trade it as you see fit. Okay? All right. Come on, let's go, baby. Fall. Come on. Come on. Holding this damn minor support low there. Oh, we breached it. Come on, 92.50, 92.50. Come on, buddy. All right, I took it off.
Highs here in the wake of the ISM services beat. S&P cash at 52.10, down 136 points. The Dow down closer to 800 points now. Recouping some of the losses here through the first 30 minutes of trade.
Trying to get to 49.75. Ludden
at 42.87, up 19 and a half points, well off the pre-market highs.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
There you go. $700 trade. Anybody long? Anybody long? All right, guys. I'll take targets. I'll take some risk off here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Morning, Walt.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Almost. We got 22.75. And just keep nickel diming them. Nickel diming them. Come on. Come on, 21.50.
Order submitted.
ES is short on the algo.
Order filled.
All right. We got target on order flow. And now the algo is short. In a really bad spot, the algo is short. VWAP and yellow. Really bad spot. mean, I think we can come down to 08. Got the lower high. If that pivot holds, this can break. Double bottomed here. Got to get below 19.5 if this is going to come down. We do have sellers. They're not big. Breached it. Breached it.
Target filled.
Target hit. Long on the algo. I'm not sure I like it, but go get you a target, son. That's a big ass target. ES needs to clear yellow. I'll trade corn. Corn is fine. Hogs, forget. I'll never trade them again. You guys want to watch money eviscerate? We'll trade hogs. If you're right, it's a great trade. If you're wrong, it's gone quick. Need ES to get through. ES can go to 30.5 if it can get through this yellow. If it gets through yellow, I would take the long again. I have a 30.5 target on the upside. $26 anyways. It may get that target, guys. We held the pivot. It's got to come through here. 2150. If you guys want to, if you're trading an Apex account or a PA account or something, and you guys want to take risk off, take it off. If it gets through that pivot at 2150.75, it probably gets to target. It's pushing that damn resistance and it won't break. It's double topped here. You can see it. No, nothing in the way of buyers. I mean, right now, really small, 1400, but that's nothing in the ES. If it takes out that double top on the 1000 volume, it'll go. If not, it'll probably get busted. I'm guessing it's busted. It's still holding, but not enthused. Come on. $1,600 buyers. It's going to try again. It's got to get through yellow. We're stuck right at VWAP and Ludwig level yellow, guys. This is a real problem. Above that, it's good. It's longs. I mean, then we have both VWAP and yellow out of the way. Short of that, death on a stick.
Turkey foreign minister saying they in Egypt have discussed nuclear energy and liquid natural gas.
There it is. Should be good. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. There it is. Target filled, fellas. Target filled. So this algo is actually up $1,000. It was $200 in the hole when I started it from early this morning. Anybody running the ES Algo getting these trades? Might as well do that because I'm not running NASDAQ. Anybody running ES? I said at the beginning I would only run ES. Okay. All right, guys. Good, good. Mauricio, listen. I tried to log into your computer last week. I sent you back an email. The only way that I can check your algos is by using TeamViewer. I have no idea how to log directly into your VPS. Okay? So if you're not getting trades, something's wrong. I would like to log into your computer, but you need TeamViewer for me to do it on your VPS or whatever you're using, that computer for your VPS. So if you can do that for me, I'll do it as soon as I close the room. Yep, you're welcome. Michael, Sean hasn't, we're short on the algo, and I'm going to be short order flow wise. Nope. It held again. Tell me it held that 198 again. Damn, 197.75. If that breaks, I think that ES is going to get busted.
Order filled.
All right,
Target filled.
got target again on the ES Algo. That's now up 1,025. I'm short one on an order flow basis. And now I'm looking for the move. Traded as you see fit, but I'm looking for the bust down here. This has a long way to come. $75, $62 are targets.
Order canceled.
Oh, I'm at my daily goal. That's why I canceled that trade. I mean, this could go back to 08 from here or die. It broke that 98 finally. I want 98 area to hold as a stop. That was support. Now it's got to be resistance. If this sits down below 88.50, it should get us to 75 would be my target below 88.50. Below 88.50, my target is 75. Otherwise, trade it as you see fit. Okay? We're not really crashing. Right back to that 98 was support, now resistance. You dog. This is going back. I closed it. Once we came back above 98, it's a fail. Let me can't even get 10 ticks more out of this thing. Seriously? And then a blowout? I'm done.
Order filled.
You can have it. It can go without me. Don't care. These are all up on Algo too. 1885, 1315, 1375. Nice job, fellas. This is probably also set at $1,000 for me. And it looks like it closed out the trade. Holy Christmas. This took the long. It closed it out, peeing out profit hit. Whatever my profit is set at, it hit. Would have hit. I didn't have it on. I'm guessing I'm at $1,000. There's that target on NASDAQ if anybody took that. You know, trade accordingly. Trying to get up to, you know, Pam's level, next one above, which is up near 50. I'll be flat here.
Order filled.
I'm flat. Nothing trade. NASDAQ's trying to break out. First target, we're getting a quasi breakdown here. If this breaks down below 200, our target is 87. Trade accordingly. Trade them as you see fit. You got another 300 here, give or take. Got 800 sellers in here. I think we can get to 92.50. And then if we catch that 88-ish swing, we get 75 and then 62. But again, a lot has to go right. Trade this as you see fit if you had multiples. Need some help from the NASDAQ. I kind of need a 5-minute close below value area high. Otherwise, this is going to bounce. Come on. Don't bounce here. This could go right back to 19.
Order filled.
I'm flat. I'm flat. This could go right back to 19. I'll look to get in it again. Below 88 is really where this thing gets punked. No, 01 we could try again if it breaks down below 01 here. You got a short 201. All right, I'm going to try this again.
Order filled.
That 01's going to want to hold. So I'm going to take one off at 98.50.
Order submitted.
This is going to want to hold. 01. If that breaks, we should get 98.50. And then if we can get below 88, I think the route's, oh, just missed. Route's on.
Order filled.
Another winner chicken dinner. We don't have much room here because of where I shorted it, but if this can break down, if we can get below that 88.50, I think this thing can be a runaway train.
Order submitted.
ES spot is short. ES spot is short. Last trade of the day on the ES. Whoop. Yeah, you piece of shoot. Come on, die. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm flat order flow wise. All right, for purposes of the video, Order flow trades, trading very small, 1 and 2 contracts max on the ES, up 1982. The ES Algo, I show 712.50, but the NASDAQ lost 200 earlier, from that 6 to 7 time frame. So the ES was good for 900. High watermark was probably 1200. Guys, we'll be back tomorrow to do it again. Once again, I